So this pound yen analysis for Wednesday, the 6th of June. Now, let's just have a look at whatever prices and where prices may like to go. So previously we had prices break above the 146 level. We retested the 146, didn't see the breakdown from the 146. Instead, the 146 did hold the support, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum take us back above the 146.38, retest the 146.38, held the support, and now we've seen this move up towards at 147.35. Now, it does appear that we've broken above this 137.35, so if we do see this upwards momentum continuation, we are looking for a move towards that 148.46. Successful break from which, and then we are looking at, if we do break beyond the 148.46, we're looking for a move towards that 148.61. Successful break from there, we're looking for a move towards that 149.10 or possibly towards that 149.78 if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside. As we're at 147, well, essentially 148 at the moment, I wouldn't expect prices moving much beyond, say, the 149.78. Similarly, if we do see the sell side momentum coming to market either at this 148.46, or we do break down from this 147.35, we're looking for a move back down towards, let's just see where we're looking. So if we do break down from where we are at present, or we're not able to hold support at the 147.35, we're looking for a move down towards that 146.38 or possibly down towards that 146. If we do break from there in around 145.50, we do have the 200 period moving average, which could act as a dynamic level of support and see that buy side momentum return to the market from that level. I don't anticipate 145.11 coming into focus here. And to the upside, again, we've mentioned levels that we are looking at here on the pound against the yen. If we do have to see the upwards momentum continuation here. Now, let's just have a brief look at the daily chart, and we get the scale on here correct. And as we can see here, on the pound against the yen, we've had a sell-off, brief pullback, pulse at lower highs, as further sell-off. We've had another consolidation to the upside, somewhat weak price action. We found difficulty breaking a hold above the 200 period moving average, and from which we have seen a we did see the sell side momentum return to the market, seeing a pretty sharp move here to the downside, but we're seeing a pretty equally sharp recovery here on the pound against the yen. So the very next level that we are looking at, we did mention on the 148.46, but the most notable level going forward is possibly in around that 150 area, in around 149.78 to 150 from a daily chart perspective, where we found this swing high before we did see this sell-off. So the point at which we did turn around after having a brief recovery on the pound against the yen. So that will be the level that we're looking at from a daily chart perspective, and move up towards that 150, possibly to find some resistance as we did in the past. But with that said, although saying that, I've just noticed something. There remains a possibility, actually, thinking about it. If we do see a move up towards this 150, there is a possibility of seeing a retracement back down towards, say, this 147.35, in around this 147.35. If we do find support there, there's a possibility of putting in an inverted head and shoulders, which is a somewhat bullish price pattern. So we'd have a shoulder head, possible shoulder in around at 147.35, possibly seeing a further move here to the upside if we were to see inverted head and shoulders develop here on the pound yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.